Hello everyone, this is Hazel Hildreth again. Welcome back to my vlog. Okay, let's get started. So I just mixed the eggs to the eggplant. Now it's time to put vegetable oil. And then it's time to put the eggplant. I put onion. A little bit onion, tomato, to melt the cheese. I need to put the ham. This ham is already fried, so I just put it. You can put ham or bacon or sausage, whatever you like. Looks good. I think this is done. The cheese is already melting. This is it. This is my eggplant pizza. Looks delicious. There's a ham, cheese, tomato, onions, eggs, and eggplant. Hello everyone, thank you for watching. I'm so glad that you're watching my channel, and I appreciate it. To all my supporters, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.